Hi James, can you explain the always necklace? Bakit always yung like
Always. I think it started in travel video namin. San Francisco.
San Francisco and Lake Tahoe.
It was the title of the song, Always. And we like it better than Forever. I don't know.
Parang naisip na lang namin bigla nung natapos ko na yung music video. Actually, yun talaga yung yun po talaga yung pag naririnig ko yung song na yun, ang naaalala ko talaga is yung nangyari sa amin sa San Francisco and sa Lake Tahoe. So yun talaga super super meaningful yung song yun para sa akin.
That was the time when we were.
Yun.
Yeah. Yeah. So.
and Nadine, will you pursue songwriting as well like James or any music genre in the future?
Definitely gagawa po ulit ako ng bagong album. Pero sa songwriting, itatry ko po. Tignan po natin kung kaya ko.
Just practice.
Practice.
Some fans are asking, are there any plans for concert next year? Like,
Wala pang napag-uusap. So far, wala pang napag-uusapan. Meron.
What are the plans for the holiday? Plans for the holiday?
Working. We're working, right?
New Year?
We have work. Yeah, we have work. Pero, you mean on Christmas Eve po mismo?
Yeah.
Just time with family.
Not traveling or
No.
just here in this.
How about for the two of you? Wala kayong special plan for
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 Christmas. Just family dinner. That's all we want. Just one night to sit down with the family.
For this year, ano yung pinaka-memorable sa tingin niyo yung maaalala niyo for 2016?
Oh my God, this was so many.
Ang dami po eh. Pero lahat po nung travels namin talaga. Kasi ito yung sunod-sunod talaga yung travels namin. Tapos lahat ng pinupuntahan namin, super nag-enjoy po kami. Tsaka favorite po talaga namin mag-travel parehas.
10 months in a relationship. So far, kamusta yung relationship niyo?
It's been perfect so far. And it's been easy. It has been
Easy and
smooth. Yeah, very smooth.
Guys, most of the celebrities are vlogging na. If you given a chance, will you start doing a personal vlogs?
Vlogs.
Vlogs.
Yeah, if
Some of the celebrities are started vlogging na. Like,
parang ako po parang hindi ko po kakayanin. Kasi ano po ako, if ever, gawa po ako ng vlog, syempre gusto ko hands-on. Kasi ako talaga yung ma-manage ng vlog. Parang hindi ko po kakayanin. Why not? Pero sa time, hindi ko kaya.
I don't think guy vlogger. No, I don't think so.
Unless like you're like a fashion.
How would you describe 2015 for the two of you?
Late
2017.
2016.
2016. It has to be the highlight of our career because it was the finale of Atwal, which was, I think, our biggest achievement.
Ang dami nangyari. Na nagkaroon ng this time, concert,
It was the year we became, I think, international because of
the tour,
the concert.
movie pa. And another teleserye.
Yes, it's been.
So super dami po
Long
talaga
year.
nangyari this year.
And what should fans look forward to sa next
2017. Marami po.
Especially music.
why do you call her pumpkin?
Sorry, it's inside joke. That's between us. That's for us.
Okay.
Last question na may minute lang. Kailan daw binigay yung necklace na?
What necklace?
Yung always na.
Did you tell them already?
No, because someone posted about it. Dapat
Yeah.
secret lang
Okay.
yun eh, but someone posted about it. And then si MJ, tinanong niya na ako kasi nga nasagap niya na yung balita. So,
It was a couple of days after her birthday.
Okay.
that's it.
you.